Right, this is a vlog. I am now recording the beginning at the end because what I want to do is tell you that a lot of there's lots of different events in the vlog. It's probably quite long. I don't know how many minutes it's going to turn out to be, but I am going to put in the minutes where events occur so as you can skip to certain points that you want to see if you don't want to see the whole thing. Okay, so open up show more, because there will be links to things also and descriptions, and also I will put those timings in so you can choose what you want to watch. All right, ta-ra. Enjoy the vlog. Morning, it's Saturday now, and yeah, look, wet hair. I never dry it with the hairdryer. I'm just going to go to Sainsburys, and this is what it's going to be like. It'll dry in the supermarket. Probably freeze in the supermarket, actually, the fish aisles, but we won't talk about that. Anyway, about to have my breakfast. Saturdays I have my toast and jam and toast and honey. And then what else? Fiddling around the dishwasher. Men and the dishwasher. There's honey. I get my honey at the South of England show, and whenever I go and get honey. This one's made in Bexhill, because it's always local honey. It's really nice, local independent producers. So I'll be going again in a few weeks' time to the Christmas fair, and I will get myself some more honey then. Look, what's the point of that? I just found that in the fridge. Anyway, luckily there's another one. Have you seen these big tubs of Anchor? I like Anchor because it's real buttery. Anyway, these are mega, aren't they? These tubs. Really like those. So luckily, yes, we did have a spare. But what was the point of that? Why does somebody in the family put an empty tub back in the fridge? Well, off to Sainsburys. We just parked up. I'm actually facing a funny angle because the light around here is a bit weird. And anyway, yeah, look, I'm in a tweed coat. I really like this. Again, something else I bought at the South of England show. I tend to buy high ticket items, and this is a really good quality coat. And it was, when I bought it, it was in a sale because it was the previous year's version of tweed. And so that was really good value. But I love it for this time of year, not midwinter, but this time of year where it's chilly. It's really good for commuting in and for just popping on now. Like if I'm wearing a long cardigan, this is a long coat, so I'm wearing a long cardigan. I don't want to wear a jacket, so my cardigan's draped underneath, so I'll grab this. So what else? To say, okay, birthday weekend of one of the children, and I'm sure that's going to involve, on their part, late nights and alcohol. In fact, early mornings maybe, because they came in at 4 o'clock last night. This morning. Not sure if we're going out with them at any point, but if we do, it won't be a 4 o'clock AM drunken episode. We might just go out and eat with them, not sure, or a pub drink, I don't know. Anyway, see how the weekend rolls. So look what slipped in my trolley. Isn't that lovely? Let me try that one at home. There's a cute. So this is Harry Potter again.
Yeah, Grindelwald.
Yeah, Grindelwald.
Yeah,
oh yes, I want to go and see that.
Fantastic beasts.
I want to see that. Who remembers Chibo? This is a Chibo cardigan. I've got water on it there because I have been cleaning the bathroom. Yeah, I can't get water special. But I got this from Chibo. It must have been 10 years ago because that's when they disappeared from our high street. What a loss, what a loss they are. But nothing I bought there failed. And this is still, although I wear it for housework now, it hasn't lost its shape. There's no piling. It's a hooded cardigan, so I really like it. But, oh, Chibo, come back, Chibo. Anyway, what I want to show you is something, excuse the monkey there, but all those came from, well, the brown bear was mine when I was a child. The rest of them were given to me by my children when they were young. Anyway, I was going to show you Zoflora, how I am now using Zoflora in the bathroom. How exciting. Yes, did you know that if you mix up a bit of Zoflora with water in a spray, so this is an old method bottle, and I've just labelled it with Zoflora now, but it is excellent for glass mirrors, and so I'm going to use it on the shower here, but I found this, I read somebody else was using this or saw it, and then you just use sort of kitchen paper to wipe it, but it's brilliant for glass. But look at that glass, not a smear. And that is just Zoflora and kitchen towel. It just works so much better than anything that's designed for windows. So I'm in Superdrug now. This is what I've been looking for. The cleansing oil. So just before I go home, I want to show you this. I've picked this up in Superdrug. for Chloe's birthday from my mum. My mum said spend up to £20, and this was 14. They did say in Superdrug they reckon it will go on offer below 14 at some point, but I wanted it for this birthday weekend, obviously, rather than wait. But they reckon it'll be even cheaper at Christmas. So £14 is already half price. But I thought that was worth sharing with you. If you know a young person in your life, or you who might like that. It's also worth telling you that these that I found, the Simple and and also got the Superdrug Macula water, however you pronounce it anyway. They're 2 for 1 at the moment. I'm going to have, it's lunchtime, I'm going to do myself an egg and toast for lunch. And, strangely enough, this is something else I bought at Harding at the South of England show, this pan. I just love these because they just wipe clean. They're the ones with the volcanic lining inside. They just wipe clean, don't need a dishwasher, don't need to use soap on them. We do, but you don't need to, and they just wipe clean. They're absolutely brilliant. They're expensive, but brilliant. As I said, there's high ticket items. I think it's worth getting there because you get a discount, because there's often a show discount or there's sales on and so on. So good quality, high ticket items. I forgot to tell you, egg was freshly laid this morning from one of my own chickens. These are what we got waiting to be eaten, but I cheated and went for the latest egg that was laid. Opened up her eyeshadows and quite enthralled by them.
I am.
Said it's going to keep her busy for a long time. So we've come down to Brighton Marina to eat tonight for Miss 20's birthday. Chloe's birthday now. So that's the marina.
Yeah, you just got jobs ahead.
Yeah.
What, 17? I could just eat and eat and eat and eat.
Look, that is just so right, isn't it? Dessert menu, I'll have one if you do. How often do you hear that in a restaurant? I think a lot actually. Hooray! 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 So, at night, it's a bit grim, isn't it? Sort of like seeing nighttime winter, seeing ice creams and things on the boardwalk. I guess that's the American version. It would be called boardwalk. We don't call it boardwalk here in the UK, but it's what it is. It's wooden at the seaside.
I was actually going to say,
Back in all the generations before Mike. And this, then, walking along here, is back to the car park. To McDonald's. We got Asda over there. Asda. There's a big casino over there. And a big Pizza Hut. It won't focus. So what I didn't tell you yesterday was that I cut my finger on one of those blender blades, and it's quite yucky. So we are now going to be unwrapping it and bathing it in salt water and wrapping it again. We bought these, used these yesterday as well, these sort of stitches, plastic sticky stitches to hold it together rather than going to hospital. We didn't think it was deep enough to go to hospital. But it was a close call, so we'll see. I'm not showing you. I'm trying to show you the action without actually showing the wound, just in case you're squeamish. Anyway, yes, it's slow progress. Cleaning it with salt water, but it seems to have knitted together, so it's just a matter of
That is
drying
actually
it.
quite bad.
Yes, but we've managed to. It's not that deep. But we've managed to knit it together. And in hospital, all they would have done was use these anyway. This sticky stitches. What we did.
It might have been a little bit of super glue and then it's secured with.
They wouldn't have They didn't do it with. They didn't super glue my mother finger when I did it. They just used those.
So, you know.
So, this is what we've done. And tied the two fingers together so I'm less likely to bend. But also, you know those little spatulas that come with moisturisers sometimes? I've used two of those as splints. So they're wrapped up inside there, one either side of the damaged finger. Now about to have lunch. Show you great British tradition. Fish finger sandwich, tomato ketchup. And I'm having a beer. Well, it's Monday and I've got a day off today from work and I'm off to a spa, so I'm busy packing. I'm going with a blogger friend. Never done that before. It's going to be fun. I've never been to a spa at all before. So I'm trying to work out what to pack. Obviously, inconvenienced by the fact that I've got a bad finger. What else to say? It doesn't look like I've got makeup on. I've gone really light because I'm having a facial later on anyway. So I've just got Tarte CC cream, I've got Spice Honey lipstick, and I'm using another Tarte palette that I've never used before, but I've had a while. I'll show you. I can't see the name of it. It doesn't say on the back, so I'll just show you. You might recognise it. I'm talking fast to get all this crammed in, and I'm going to go make a cup of tea, and then I'm going to pack for my spa. Just to show you the finger, I have taken the bandage off. The family may be furious, but I still can't bend it, which is the aim, because I put a lot of micropore around it. It doesn't look infected, that's good. The cleaning they did yesterday seems to have worked. It's bled a bit, but that was before I took the... I've kept the same dressing underneath and just put micropore around. Yeah, it seems to be doing okay. At least there's no infection. At least it's closed up. It's going to inconvenience me today. At the spa, I can hardly go in the pool, can I? Or the steam room, or the sauna. But I may, with a rubber glove, go in a jacuzzi. They're the shoes I'm going to take. I have got leopard print for tomorrow. And the sandals, for my meal tonight with my outfit, I haven't made up my mind which ones I'm going to wear. So there's a choice. Taking both. Well, that's my shoes packed. There's no room for anything else. I'm going to pack for tomorrow to wear with my leopard print trainers. It's, grey jeans, a stripy button. I've got undies under there as well, and socks. And I'm going to take a vest in burgundy. Because if all I'm really going to be doing is going down to breakfast and then going from the spa to the car, it's going to rain, so I'm going to wear a thin raincoat over the top. But this is just for warmth because I don't know what the temperature's going to be in the breakfast room. Or going from the spa to the car. It's going to be a bit cooler than today. So I just thought that would be a good compromise. A packing cube again for my evening outfit. And I said I'm wearing black leggings, pleather leggings, a tunic. I think the tunic's going to need a belt, so I've chosen a gold belt and a black belt just to take in case. Also, don't know what the temperature's going to be in the dining room. You never know at this time of year. So, and just a jersey tunic's going to be chilly. I am taking a wrap with me, so that's going to go in there too. And that's that lot packed in a packing cube, ready for tonight. I'm back from the spa now, and as you know, I hurt my finger. I had a facial yesterday and a massage, and they put lots of grease in it. You know how they go up the back of the neck and they go up here. I knew I couldn't wash my hair with a cut, so I used my Phil Smith Big It Up. It's perfect, isn't it? This doesn't look like... Okay, it's a bit white, but hey, I'm grey anyway. You know, my age I expect to be white. This is white powder. So it doesn't brush out exactly, but still it doesn't look greasy, does it, or dirty? So it's been a bit of a saviour for me. Tonight I'm going to get a family member to wash my hair in the sink. Anyway, unpacking now. Now, the video of the actual break at the spa will be another video. Don't know if it's going up after this one or before this one. So I'll either link it or won't link it, or I'll come back and link it after it's gone up. Anyway, you'll also see there was a go live as well. There was a live while I was away. So I will link that one because that is up. And it was my first YouTube live I've done. I've done Instagram lives before, but that was my first YouTube live. Anyway, hope you enjoy. And right now, down to packing, unpacking. As I said, unpacking. Now, what else is there to say? Just if you enjoyed this, you know what to do. Do the necessary. See my big circular face appear around about now. If you press on it, it'll give you an opportunity to subscribe. What else? I think that's it. I'm calling this vlog a wrap now. I don't know how many minutes it is, but I'll try and cut it down. I'm also going to do, if you open up Show More, I'll try to put the minutes where events occur, so you don't have to watch it all. You can watch what you're interested in and so on. So open up Show More, and I'm telling you this now at the end. That's no good. I think I better record a bit for the beginning of the video to say so. Anyway, ta-ra. See you.